Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'll be fixing a pizza, home run in pizza. I got the meat lovers. It has sausage, uncured pepperoni, and uncured bacon. So it's the classic pizza by Chicago's Home Run Inn. I got this air fryer going. I got fries in it, so you can't fix popcorn right now because I'll be running this too. You can wait. I don't care you to wait. Okay. Is this where we went one time? Home Run Inn.
Yeah, we've been there before.
So where the man fell out the chair.
Yeah.
You want to? When we first started dating, I don't know if we was married or not, or we're dating. Well, anyway, we went to Home Run Inn, way down in the city somewhere. And, of course, the pizza in the place is always better than the frozen, but this is really, really good, too. But anyway, there's a man in there acting the fool, leaning back in his chair, and he fell out. Everybody in the restaurant started cracking up.
One dude, he started, I knew him. My friend's cousin, he went to... Ha. Ha. And then it just spread. I mean, it just...
Yeah, one man started, everybody laughing. It was funny. Okay, I'm using my Cosori air fryer oven. And I have my Bolebi air fryer on the other side of the kitchen. It's on another circuit, so I don't blow lights and stuff. And Walter, he still likes his popcorn, microwave popcorn, but we can't run everything right now. Okay. I'm gonna lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Sorry I slammed that. Okay. This is the Cosori air fryer oven. I had this for quite a while now, so I'm gonna set it on the function it's supposed to be on. Pizza. So it set itself for 450 for 15 minutes. Let's see how long. 450. It said put it in the middle rack, which it is. And how long? 15 to 20 minutes. That's what the box says. So let me turn it on. Turn the light on. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. And it's frozen. This was on sale at Jewel. I got it yesterday. They also had some Home Run Inn pizzas. That was just the crust. They didn't have nothing on it where you can bring it home and fix it yourself. It was $6 and this was $6.99. That was the craziest thing I ever saw. So, like I said, this is the meat lovers. Why am I having so much trouble opening up a box? If I can't open it, I don't need it. Oh, I know why. I just put on these press-on nails. I'm trying not to pop them off, because I put them on with the adhesive tabs. I don't want no glue on my nails. I'll show you how I do the box. Cut it. Okay, I might take this hair off. It's getting on my nerves. So you do that. And then when the pizza is done, you put the pizza on here. can cut it on there and all that. I was talking to Amber on the phone yesterday. She was talking about how Makai likes big pizza now. He used to only eat the personal pan pizza, but now he likes the big pizza. Of course, she has to take everything off. He just likes the crust, the sauce, and the cheese. So I said, what kind of pizza you like? She said she always gets the meat lovers. So I told her I just bought one. Of course, I'm going to doctor it up. I usually don't care for pepperoni, but I like theirs. Okay, I'm putting some Italian seasoning blend on it. Really, it doesn't need anything because it's good. And there's no salt in this, y'all. This is what I got. The Unpretentious Baker. That's the brand. Then I'm using pepper. That's good. Don't want any extra cheese. I'll take this off. Yeah, that's hot. Meat. We don't want extra cheese. There's some pizza blend cheese, so that's cheddar and mozzarella. Let me wash my hands, so I've been handling that box. Everybody been touching in the store. We've been eating leftovers for the past couple of nights. Save myself some money because we eat out quite a bit. And they said I was going to stop eating out so much. But this year, it ain't happened yet. This is ready. Okay, now, stop playing. Now I can't open this because of my fingernails. I'm trying to act all cute and brand new. Well, if they don't come off and if somebody find them in their food. This ain't really shredded little. I'll be able to see when I put it in here. Yeah. Okay. So let's put a little extra cheese. Be careful not to touch any part of this oven because it's hot, just like a real oven. start. Okay, I'll be back when the pizza is ready. Okay. That's how it's looking so far. And I got about 4 more minutes. I want the cheese on top to get a little more brown than that. Okay, cut off. I'm cutting it into little pieces. And I was saying, Walter likes pizza like Mackay. He likes the crust and the sauce. He don't want no meat, no nothing. He will eat a hamburger pizza though. Okay, that's good. That's how that looks. Yum, yum, yum. Got my plate over to the side. Look, I like this piece. See, Walter don't like none of this stuff on it. So, I don't want him messing up what I like. Okay, that's good. Of course, I'm going to come back later. Okay. Yes, I'm finishing up. I'm going to taste it. And I'll be through. I'm filming now, yes. I don't know who keep calling. Unavailable, there's nobody. I don't answer that. There's a few fries, some pizza. I can't bite this pizza. I won't be able to taste nothing for a week. I eat a pepperoni, which I actually like their pepperonis. Some bacon was on that too. I taste the bacon. So this is the Meat Lover's Pizza. It has sausage, pepperoni, and bacon. Good eating. Crispy French fry. Soft in the middle. It's my nails. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Oh, I took my wig off and put on a top I can eat in. My old faded old top. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day.